welcome to Punky Flute. Do you want to get better at playing the flute quicker? Then join me on this magical journey of flute improvisation. I have spent many years practicing the flute. I think us flute players spend way too much time practicing the same thing over and over and over again and again and again. We end up spending hours doing the same thing. But what if we could train our mind and body to cooperate better so we can get there sooner? I have spent many years practicing in front of the music stand, working on the same thing again and again and again and again and again. Of course we need to practice, of course we need to work on what we are working towards, but by practicing improvisation, you can calm down your nervous system and you can have your mind and body connection a lot better. It's like being in a state of Zen, practicing meditation. By relaxing, we are ready to absorb what we need to work on. So you can get your mind and body ready in order to work harder, and then we can get there quicker. And you can get better sooner. Plus, you are going to avoid injuries and sore, tight muscles. Bonus. If you're brand new to flute improvisation, I have a course on how to get you started, so please check that out. Today I have written a short melody to get you started, but as I said, let's stop reading music. Even just for a few minutes every day, if you could stop reading and play what your body tells you to, what your mind tells you to, what you want to play, you're going to relax and you're going to get better at playing the flute much quicker. Let's stop reading music. Let's play what you want to play. So please join me on this improvisation. Here's what I did. 1, 2. Let's have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I hope to see you in the next episode. Bye!